Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, douchebag.
What do you?
Bro, are you serious?
Yeah, there's another floor here.
It's good.
Oh, David.
So what's up,
Yes,
Jeff?
David. How are you, David?
So
Finish
Jeff-
Line Factory.
Yes.
Don't forget.
So Jeff, what are we picking up today?
Cayman.
Okay, why are we in an elevator?
We're just going downstairs. We looked at the car.
This is where he makes his deals the best, on his knees.
Maybe it was a bad idea.
Who's on- wait,
this is what you like about
who's-
this place.
Why?
The cafe.
Why would anyone? Oh
Look, they
wow,
took
this
my
is
coffee
actually.
away.
Hey, they got.
I don't drink coffee.
Hey
I
Jeff,
don't
they
eat
got
the Chex Mix.
they got trail mix. They got trail mix.
I just
Yeah.
had it.
I mean, it's got peanuts, so you'll probably die. So I don't recommend it. You got Chex Mix. I'm gonna get some of the trail mix. I don't know about you guys. I think Chex Mix. No,
No, that's
Chex
how you
Mix.
do it, buddy.
You know what? Half and half. Oh, okay. One of those kind of things. Okay. Look at this. I'm making a mess. Okay, and then we get a little peanuts and shit. There we go. Look at that.
We got him, David.
What do you got? Official check. All right.
We got a problem.
I don't see a problem.
I don't see coffee for it. I don't see sugar.
Sugar?
Right here, I got it.
It's probably somewhere.
Yeah, I got it. It's over here.
Look, they got biscotti. There's a 4-slice toaster here. Hey Jeff, come back. I like how there's all these Porsches here, but we're looking at the 4-slice toaster. So we're here at Porsche West Palm Beach, and Jeff is picking up a new Porsche Cayman GTS.
Talk and eat on the thing. That's not great.
Yeah, I'm talking and eating. Actually, I have a mouth and I have hands, so I can multitask.
I'm gonna walk around.
All right, this is some good drill mix. Hey Jeff, you like raisins?
I can't eat any of that.
Yeah, you should stay away from this. You'll probably die. There are some nice cars. We have a sapphire blue. What is it? A Macan? Cayman? Something? Cayenne? So what do we got while we're waiting? We got a 911 Turbo S. We got a red convertible. We got a black convertible. Oh, this is a black Cayman, red seats. There you go. Look at the wind blocker there. What else we got? Hey man, what's the sticker on this car? 98,000.
Yeah, 97,890.
No, that's not bad. Did I call this Cayman? This is a Boxster. I'm an idiot. All right, so we just finished all the paperwork. We got all the finance stuff. Hey, Jeff, he's going to deliver the car in the service bay.
But they're not doing it.
Oh. They're gonna deliver the car over there in the larger area, in the larger bay.
No, he's doing it outside.
No, right here.
Outside or in the other bay? He said in the other bay.
Yeah, right down there, the large service bay.
Oh, let's go look.
Yeah, very large. All right.
I heard him say he's putting it over there, bro.
No, he's bringing the car here. He's gonna drive it in here. That way, there's more space. Yeah, we had a discussion about it. Yeah, we had it. Yeah, you're right. It's not that bright. Well, that's why he opened the garage door. All right, guys, here it is. So, brand new Porsche Cayman GTS, all black. Wow, look at this thing. Hey, so we're probably gonna go out to dinner pretty soon. But man, look at this. Let me flip the camera around. Jeez, Jeff, this looks really, really sharp in black, dude. Especially with the tail lights, dude. You got a nice car. Let's check out the interior. Wow. This is beautiful. It's got the, what is it, Alcantara? No, it's leather on the outside. Some kind of suede or Alcantara on the inside. Red stitching. Man. All right. Alcantara here. This is a special car. See, it's got the carbon insert. It's got a carbon package there. Oh, it's got the Sport Chrono package. Oh, it's a GTS. I think it comes standard on the GTS. All right. It's got the big brakes there. Jeff, you finally got a real car. Four-cylinder turbo, Boxer engine. Hey Jeff, do you know what's the horsepower rating on this? I think it's like 350 or something. 365? Yeah, that'll move. Oh man, they just had the car detailed too. You got the rear parcel shelf. Hey Jeff. After we get some dinner, you gotta let me. You gotta take me for a spin. Well, after you get it all like ceramic coated and wrapped and all that, So we'll see what you're gonna do with this. This guy over here is fretting over like every little thing. Oh, it's got like a little spot here. Is it paint? It's really just calcium. We have really hard water here in Florida. Hold on a second. Jeff, it's Friday. Go enjoy your car. Stop fretting about everything. Stop worrying. Oh yeah. Don't worry. Be happy. All right, you guys are all done with the tutorial on how to use the car. You're good to go. Jeff, hey, you know what? While you guys are having some fun time, I'm gonna sit in the car.
Do not.
I can't sit in the car? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Flatten the seats out? Let's see. How does this? Oh, it's one of those. All right.
If this is clear coat,
Damn, Jeff, you're a tiny person. Oh shit! Can't even reach. Oh, okay. Hold on.
I understand, but listen to me.
Oh, all right. So I gotta bring the seat back first. So, right there, maximum. Jeff, you're a tiny person. How do you fit in here?
Come on.
Well, how do I fit in here?
Come on,
Jesus.
just sitting on my phone.
No, I move your phone. Hold on a
Please,
second.
be careful. It's a brand new $100,000 car.
I've sat in much more expensive cars. Don't worry. All right, Jeff, you got all the formalities taken care of. We can go get some dinner. Yeah.
Thanks to my good friend, good person.
All right, bud. All right, so I'm gonna hop in the Tahoe and you enjoy your first drive. So let's go do it.